All right, the next stock we're going to be taking a look at is FWDG, currently traded at 0002. As I said, you know what? This one was requested, and I always try to get every single stock that's requested. Even though there's not going to be much for me to say here, I really can't add too much. But you know what? I'm not going to blow you off just because I can't talk too much about it. Okay, I try to be as fair as I can. Try to get through as many as I can. FWDG right now currently traded at 0002. You had a big volume day on the 17th and 18th that really start triggering up some action here. Coming off that 0001, getting that 0002 area. The chart is bullish, but it comes down to, I don't know how many shares are out here. This is what's going to happen. It's 0001. Some stocks you'll find with no volume at all, 0001, but the share structure is tight and it gets volume. It just goes straight up through the moon. It happens. But this one right here, you know, we're talking on this day, 687 million shares, 687 million shares traded on this day, and you couldn't get the stock above 0002. Okay, right now, I mean, I'll keep an eye on it. I'm gonna just put a note in here. 0002. Wait for 0.003s to start hitting. Hold. Wait for 0.003s to start hitting. That's all I have to add. I really can't get too much into it. I'm sure you guys understand. When you get down these 000 stocks at 0001, 0002, you can't really add too much into it. So that is what I'm going to put. I'm going to put a hold on this, waiting for the 0.003s to start hitting. Joe, do you have anything to add for this one?
All right, so FutureWorld Corp is the leading provider of advanced solutions to the cannabis industry globally. FutureWorld, together with its subsidiary CB Scientific, Hemp Tech UR Vape, focuses on the identification, acquisition, development, and commercialization of cannabis-related products such as industrial hemp and medical cannabis. Hemp Tech, a subsidiary of FutureWorld, is a technology division catered to the cannabis and the industrial hemp market. Hemp Tech provides smart sensor technology, communications network, surveillance, security, data analysis for smart cultivation and consultation for the industrial hemp and legal medicinal marijuana. Our wireless agricultural smart sensor networks offer precision to agricultural irrigation systems and greenhouses for the global hemp industry. FutureWorld and its subsidiaries do not grow, distribute, or sell marijuana. So let me see if there's any recent news on them. They have, I mean, did we ever go over this one?
No, Joe. No.
No.
Hey, when you're reading about the company, where are you pulling that up at?
Well, I pulled that one off for OT. I need to get used to the one we have right now.
Okay.
That's all. I mean, I'm like an old dog. You know how it goes. You know how they have that saying, you can't teach an old dog new tricks. Well, I mean, I'm just like I'm over there, and because a lot of times I want to see, like, we need to add a few things that I normally use over here as well, which we will in due time. Let's see. So let me go over to here though. Their recent news was the one that I'd advise everybody to look at would be from January 10th, and it was FutureWorld FWDG 2017 plans and strategies moving ahead with clean balance sheet and booming green rush. You see that one? From January 10th. So FutureWorld, a cannabis technology incubator and accelerator, provides the current year in review to its shareholders.
Mm-hmm.
So basically, I mean, right here, it's pretty much just giving you a description of the market, the cannabis market. You know how it's literally the fastest growing market in extremely long time. So they FutureWorld focuses on the identification, acquisition, development, and commercialization of cannabis-related products, which I already stated. How we make money by exiting our incubated companies through a sale reverse merger, or an IPO. In any case, some or all of the proceeds, whether in stock or cash, will be returned to the shareholders as dividend. For FutureWorld, our main revenue is derived from cash and marketable securities through our exits. In most cases, we own from 19% to 100% of the companies being incubated by FWDG. According to GAAP, we would need to consolidate the financials of all of the holdings until they are sold or spun off. Products or services revenues generations by our companies is not our business model as an incubator, but only a successful exit will define our revenue stream. So moving forward, last year, our main concentration was fully support our incubated companies such as Switzerland, Hemp Tech Corp, and CB Scientific to reach full independence and sustainability. We are happy to inform that we have accomplished that task. So 2017 will be the year of FutureWorld with more investments in exciting cannabis-related technologies and services and cash and stock dividends. Let's see. So right here, if you go down to our debts, you just got to scroll right down. So in 2016, we have cleaned out close to 350 worth of toxic debt with less than 200,000 left on our books. In the next weeks and months in 2017, we are planning on cleaning out the remaining debts of our books and continue in 2017 with a clean balance sheet. Going forward, we will no longer need to fund our operations and investments through toxic debts. We are planning on utilizing Reg A and private placements to fund our operations and investment, partnering with investors all across America for mutual, non-toxic relationships. All right, so that's that. So I mean, you can keep going on and on about all the different things they got going on, but I mean, at least they're wiping out their debts, and then they're going with the registration.
Trying to get it together.
Trying to get it together.
Yep. Okay, that's FWDG. You know what? Like I said, over here on Investors Hangout, you're going to get all this information and the live stream. You just can't beat it. All this stuff completely free, part of the site. So if you follow this one, head over here to Investors Hangout. Make sure you share it with all of your friends that are also invested in this company to find it. All the information on this, and not only this, all the other ones. FWDG, head over to investorshangout.com.